Happy morning students. Today we are going to learn about nervous system and reflex action. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to identify various parts of the brain and the nervous system.
Did you know that our body has own communication network inside of it? Yes, this system is called the nervous system. It consists of three parts: the brain, the nerves, and the spinal cord. Let's learn about each of these. The brain. It is located within the skull. It is the main control center of the body. It oversees the body's actions and reactions. The brain receives information, analyzes it, sends back, and responds. The brain is divided into sections. The cerebrum collects information from all sense organs and controls thinking and reasoning. The cerebellum is responsible for coordinating body movements, balance, and posture. It is a center responsible for creativity. Below the cerebellum lies the brain stem. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls breathing and heart rate. The inside of our body is covered with billions of nerve cells, which are also known as neurons. Nerves exchange signals between the brain and other parts of our body. There are three types of nerves. Sensory nerves. They carry messages from different parts of the body to the brain or the spinal cord. Motor nerves. They carry messages from the brain or the spinal cord to different parts of the body. Mixed nerves. They carry messages from different parts of the body to the brain or spinal cord, as well as from the brain or spinal cord to different parts of the body. Spinal cord acts as a bridge between the brain and the rest of the body to transmit signals to and from the brain. It also plays a major role in our reflex actions. Now let us learn about the reflex actions. What happens when you accidentally put your hand on something hot? You jump away even without thinking about it. This is called reflex action. A reflex action is an immediate and rapid response to a stimulus. Reflex actions occur very quickly because they do not involve the brain. They occur directly through the spinal cord using pathway called reflex arc. The reflex arc works as follows. The sensory neuron carries the message from the point of the stimulus to the spinal cord. The spinal cord receives the message, processes it, and gives the response. The motor neuron then carries the message to the point where the reflex occurs. Let us recall what we just learned. The nervous system consists of three parts: the brain, the nerves, and the spinal cord. Parts of the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Types of nerves are sensory, motor, and mixed. The spinal cord is responsible for reflex actions which occur without involving the brain. The reflex action is an immediate and rapid response to a stimulus. The following path of the reflex arc. The stimulus or event occurs in a body part. The sensory nerve carries the message from that body part to the spinal cord. The spinal cord receives the message, processes it, and transmits the response. The motor nerve carries this response to the point where the reflex occurs.
After watching this video, you can identify organs of the nervous system and their functions.